Hi everyone. Today I'm sharing a recipe by actress Jinseoyeon called corn ribs. It's a fun one. You hold the corn like ribs and bite right in. Let's get into it. In a small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of butter, 3 tablespoons of steak sauce, and a pinch each of salt and pepper. Microwave for about 1 minute until the butter melts. Meanwhile, slice the corn vertically into quarters. Stir the sauce and brush it evenly on one side of each corn rib. Pop them in the air fryer at 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Flip them over, brush on the rest of the sauce, and cook for 5 more minutes. Once they're done, sprinkle generously with Parmesan cheese and a bit of cumin if you like. This is seriously next level. The sauce is rich and bold and the corn is nutty and chewy. It's a super popular bar snack in Korea, and I can totally see why. Thanks for watching. See you next time, and enjoy a simple K meal today.